Guys, today we're taking a look at the OBSBOT Tiny 2 Lite. Now, on paper, guys, this is a 4K webcam with intelligent tracking, auto zoom, gesture controls, and built-in microphones. And it's nearly half the price of the flagship model. So the big question is this actually a smart way to upgrade your desk or streaming setup? Or is it just another overhyped webcam? Want to find out more? Well, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up, YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Now guys, before we get into it, OBSBOT did send me this Tiny 2 webcam to give you my honest opinion on. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get it out of the box and see what we have. So guys, inside the box, you'll find the Tiny 2 Lite itself. You'll find a USB-C to USB-C cable, a USB-A adapter, and all of the usual documentation. In fact, everything you need to get up and running straight away. Now guys, now that I've got this out of the box, it actually looks a little bit bigger than I expected. The lens is fairly substantial and the base feels solid and well built. The adjustable base is nice as it lets you sit it securely on top of a monitor, and there's also a 1/4-20 thread underneath if you want to mount it on a tripod. Now guys, setup is as simple as it gets. Plug it in via USB-C, open your video or streaming app, and you are good to go. Now, if you want more control, there's the OBSBOT Center companion app, and this is where things get really interesting as you can really fine-tune things: white balance, color, exposure, tracking, behavior, and custom preset positions. I mean, I've got to say, there's a lot going on in this software, and at first, it might feel a little bit busy, but you know what? Once you get familiar with it, it's actually incredibly powerful. One of the most useful features here are the preset positions. I mean, if you move between sitting and standing or different positions at your desk, you can save presets and jump between them instantly. Next up, you could use some of that AI tracking stuff, some of that AI tracking magic for your hands. So the Tiny 2 Lite follows your hands, and you can even switch between standard speed to sports tracking in case you're doing something active and need to track fast movements. And guys, of course, you can save all of these as presets, so you can call upon them at a push of a button. Then guys, once you get into the image settings, there's a ton here, from focus settings to exposure, contrast, hue and saturation. I mean, I've got to say, it's all very, very configurable, and it doesn't end there. You have beauty settings, so you can beautify yourself, and you can also record yourself. I mean, I have to say, this is some pretty powerful software, and it would take a video on its own to go through all of the features and settings, but I've got to say, OBSBOT have done a fantastic job of this companion software. Now, of course, this is a 4K webcam, so image quality is important. And I've got to say, the 4K footage coming out of the Tiny 2 Lite is genuinely impressive. It's sharp, detailed, and colours look great straight out of the box. Autofocus is quick and reliable, and the natural background separation looks more like dedicated camera than a typical webcam. Now, this uses a 1/2-inch sensor, which is slightly smaller than the flagship model, but still larger than most webcams in this price range. And in the real world use, it absolutely shows. Performance in good lighting is excellent, and even in lower light, it holds up better than I expected. And what really surprised me is the gesture controls. I mean, raise your hand to enable tracking, make an L shape to zoom, and you know what? It just works. There's no lag, there's no confusion, and it stays locked onto you even if you move around. And I've got to say, it's pretty impressive. Audio is also good. It's handled by dual omnidirectional microphones, and for a built-in solution, they do a solid job. And guys, voices come through clearly with decent focus on speech and minimal background noise. This is the kind of webcam that quietly gets out of the way and just lets you focus on what you're doing. So guys, there you have it. The OBSBOT Tiny 2 Lite is a genuinely impressive 4K webcam that offers excellent video quality, reliable autofocus, smart tracking features, and a surprisingly powerful software experience, all at a very competitive price. It doesn't try to reinvent the wheel, but what it does offer, it does extremely well. If you're looking to upgrade your remote work setup, streaming setup, or content creation workflow without spending a fortune, then this is absolutely worth considering. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can pick one of these bad boys up for just £149. I'll also leave any links and any further discounts in the description. And guys, if you've got any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And guys, if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to OBSBOT for sending me this cool little camera, and thanks to you guys for watching. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.